Welcome to another how-to video. I am MindBlown Chef. This is cooking made simple. If you've never been to my channel, I will put the link in the description below. I do how-to videos and I also do recipe videos. How to make sweet sauteed carrots. A great side dish for almost any meal. Alright, let's go over our ingredients real quick. Anytime I saute, I always use salt, pepper, and oil, so we're not going to go over that. For this recipe, I have butter, I have bourbon here, I also have brown sugar, and I have a little bit of honey. For our carrots, they've been peeled and oblique cut. I'm going to show you two different ways to do that right now. So in our pan, we're gonna add a little bit of oil to this. I just want enough to coat the bottom. I'm gonna be adding butter. So I just need this to coat the bottom and get our temperature up. A nice saute temperature. Saute pan is starting to get to the smoking point. We're gonna go ahead and put our carrots in. I'm not gonna mess with these too much. I wanna get a little bit of color on these. So I'm just gonna leave them just like that. Right here, my pan is pretty hot. Like I said, I'm trying to get some color. So we don't want to touch them. We want to have our pan nice and hot. I'm holding off on my salt and pepper right now because salt draws out moisture. And it's going to make these start to steam. And I want to saute these right now to get that color. This has been going for about 2 minutes. If you go over your pan, you can start to smell that color. Now we're gonna go to the next steps. Follow me, it's gonna be a fast thing. Butter in, and we're gonna toss these because we don't want them to cook anymore on that side. Got some color going on there, nice. Okay, now that you got your butter in, we're gonna drop our heat down to a nice low temperature. We're gonna basically finish cooking these now. We got our color established. We're gonna put in a little bit of that brown sugar. We're gonna put in a little bit of that honey. And that's why we're dropping our temperature now, because all this will burn very easy because it's got a lot of sugar. We're gonna go salt. We're gonna go pepper. We're gonna go bourbon. We're gonna reduce all this by half. The sugar will be melted, the bourbon will be cooked off. Our carrots will be nice and glazed. So again, let those cook down until they're nice and tender to your liking. I like my carrots to still have a little tiny bite to them. So we're gonna go a few more minutes. Okay, if your carrots are not to your cooked liking and your pan is getting nice and dry and glazed, you can drop in just a touch of water. What that's gonna do is gonna continue the cooking process, but it's gonna stop everything from burning. It's gonna stop your glaze from burning up. So you'll continue to just cook down until your carrots get to the right temp, and you should have it timed perfect to where you have a nice tight glaze at the end. And this is perfect right here. You'll see the carrots have a nice tight glaze and they're cooked perfect. That's what you're looking for. Nice tight glaze, carrots cooked perfect, nice fork tender. Beautiful. Guys, that is it. You can impress so many people with this. I think in total it took 5 minutes to make this. The hardest part for you is going to be cutting your carrots, but the actual execution of cooking is like 5 minutes. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe. Also, I have our oblique cut, peeled and cut onions.